Hello all, this is Rishabh and I welcome you to the Python Hackerrank series, and I hope you're enjoying solving the problems. I hope you're excited to solve more problems. So the next problem is finding the percentage. Let's go ahead and check out this problem. Okay, so the problem says that the provided code stub will read in a dictionary containing key value pairs of name and marks for a list of students. Print the average of marks dot array for student name provided, showing two places after the decimal. Okay, cool. So we are basically given a dictionary with the name of the student and the array with marks obtained by the student in different subjects, right? What we need to do is we need to calculate the average or the mean for the scores of a student, and then there will be a name which will be provided to us. Name of the student to query, and then we have to return the corresponding average. So we have to print the corresponding average, and we have to do it showing two places after the decimal. So basically we have to format the answer up to 2 decimal places. Cool. So let's try to use some Pythonic way of doing it. So instead of writing all the code by yourself, what you can do is in Python 3+ you can say import statistics, because there is already a method written for it or a function written for it, so you really don't need to work hard on that. So we can simply say statistics dot mean, and we can pass in the scores. So this will basically calculate the mean for it, and it will be storing the mean only. Cool. Now we are given a query name in the input, and what we need to do is we need to say print, and we need to say %.2f for the 2 decimal places, and then we need to say query name which we need to get from student marks. So student underscore marks dot get query underscore name. So get is a function which we use to get the value of the value from a dictionary given the key. So we can use the get method always. Cool. Now let me just go ahead and try to run this code, and we are getting some wrong answer. Okay, we are getting this wrong answer because this is not required, and there's one more thing which is required. So this is the way to write this. So %.2f and then another percent symbol here. Now let me run this code again. Cool, because my output was something completely different. Yeah, cool. So this was not correct. Now let me just run this code again. Okay, awesome. So we have passed the sample test cases. Now I'll go ahead and submit to see whether it's passing all the test cases or not. Okay, seems like we have passed all the test cases, which is great, and we have earned our 3rd star as well, which is great. I hope you are also solving these problems along with me, and you have also earned your 3rd star, which is great. Cool. Awesome. And any new concept if I have used in this video, let me just check. Yeah, so you should know that there is a statistics module in Python, and it has got some functions which are related to statistics, and we can always use those functions rather than doing these calculations manually, because these functions, they are doing the same thing for you, and you really don't need to repeat yourself. Dry is one of the principles in programming. Cool. Awesome. So this is it for now. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks a lot for watching the video. I hope you are enjoying solving these problems with me. I'll see you in the next one. Till then, bye bye and take care.